When you first log in, you'll see your welcome screen. And in order to navigate around the site, you want to use a tab, a button, and then a view tab. For instance, in order to view our available certificates, you want to go to the Home tab, which we're already at, your My Certificates button, and then the Available View tab. So this shows us all of our available certificates. When navigating around the site, you want to make sure that you're not using your browser's back button. This can cause a problem with video completion and evaluation attempts. The welcome screen of your Home tab has three main areas. The new announcements, where you can view any announcements that your administrator wants you to see. You have the My Active Tasks area, which will be any tasks that your administrator has assigned. And you also have your My Current Courses section. This will show you any courses that you're in progress with, and you can also search for new courses by clicking the Search for New Courses Available to You link. You also have a link to your profile information on your Home tab. It's important to keep all this information current for your recertification effort. You also want to keep all the information on your Additional Attributes view tab current. This will be any information like registry numbers or state certification numbers, expiration dates, etc. Next, let's take a look at the Learn tab, where you can access your courses. At the top of your My Current Courses view tab, you'll see your current courses, which are all the courses that you're currently in progress with. And below that, you'll see your portfolios, and this will be large groupings of various categories of courses. For instance, this shows us all of the ALS courses available to us. You can also use the search box to look for something specific, such as capnography. After selecting a course, you'll be taken to its components. Here you can print out some of the optional resources, such as the lecture notes or other things. You can also select the video itself. If you'd previously viewed part of a lecture, when you click it again, you'll be asked if you want to resume where you left off, and you can select yes or no for that. You'll notice that at the bottom you have two sets of controls. The upper set is for the lecture video you're currently watching, and at the far left you'll see we have the volume slider. Next to that you have the progress bar for the current slide you're viewing, the pause play button, the previous and next slide buttons. Then you have the notes, which will show you what the narrator is saying. Then you have this view button in the lower right. If you click it once, it will minimize the controls and make the view larger. If you click it again, it'll show you an outline of all the slides. You can also see a thumbnail view of the slides. You can search, and again, this is another area where you can see the notes. After you've watched the lecture video in its entirety, you can click the Next button at the bottom to be taken to the evaluation. When taking an evaluation, you don't want to have any other windows or tabs of CentreLearn open. And again, you don't want to use your browser's back button. This can cause you to lose the attempt. Click the Continue button when you're ready to begin. Here's an example of an evaluation. You want to read each question carefully and answer to the best of your ability. If you need to navigate away from the site or close your browser, you can click the Suspend Evaluation button, and that will save all of the answers you've already selected. There's also a button to submit your evaluation or cancel it. After you've completed all the required portions of a course, such as videos, evaluations, or surveys, you'll be issued a certificate for it. To view that, go back to your Home tab, click the My Certificates button, and click the Continue button next to the certificate you want to view. Then you can print the certificate or save it to your hard drive. When you're ready to leave, the Logout button is in the upper right. If you have any questions, comments, or need more information concerning the site, a video, or a quiz question, you can select Contact Us at CentreLearn.com. You might be able to find the information you need in the Frequently Asked Questions section at the left, but if not, use the form on the right to contact us. You can also call our toll-free number, 877-435-9309. Our office hours are from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you require immediate assistance, after-hours support can be paged.